Greetings everyone. So today Gary, Mark, and Mike are working on putting the blocking up here between those big 6x10 rafters for the porte cochere, and then they're gonna start laying in. I have 2x6 tongue and groove that will go on top of those joists, so when you look up from down below you'll see that nice tongue and groove 2x6 showing with the rafters. So that's the plan for today. So let's get going. While Gary, Mark, and Mike are working on the porte cochere out front, I'm going to work on getting the rest of this stuff bolted up, the beams and the posts, so that way it's all nice and tight when they're up there walking around. I had already bolted up the porte cochere, so that's all done. So that 2x6 tongue and groove is looking pretty nice up there. Here are a few still photos as the guys progressed up the roof with the 2x6 tongue and groove. And here's what it looks like at the end of the day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.